kids. We are at baggage claim, and this is what it looks like. Look, it's open air, so like my shirt's blowing, you see that? So it's nice and breezy. And then there's birds up there. Can you see them? Oh, it's hard to see. And they're tweeting. They're saying, welcome, welcome. And then there's like a little whale tail. It's pretty cool. And then out there is our adventures. We're still waiting for Daddy's bag because they made us check it. But I wanted to show you that little atrium. So cool. We'll share everything that we can. Remember too. And what else can I think of? We met some locals on the plane that stayed in Vegas for 4 months and they didn't like it, so they're coming home, and they told us all the good stuff to do. So we're ready to go. Woo-hoo! All right, stay tuned for the next vlog.